Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best garden seeders that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Bayer's Products ATV S100 ATV All-Purpose Broadcast Spreader. This is another versatile farming tool suitable for dropping seeds and spreading other farming materials like fertilizer. This spreader is considerable since it can carry a load of 100 pounds. This is a versatile working tool you can use for seeding, spreading, landscaping and ground maintenance. The spreader is equipped with a 12-volt motor that empowers it to work fast and efficiently. The tool comes with a rain cover to secure your farming materials. Moving on at number 4, we have Brinley BS36BH, 175 pounds, black toe behind broadcast spreader. Get this multifunctional farming tool to help you run your farm, especially during the planting seasons. This spreader is ideal for dropping seeds, adding fertilizer and for covering seeds when planting as well. This seeder is recommendable for heavy jobs since it can carry 175 pounds of seeds or fertilizer. Thus, you can plant 1 yard space before refilling the machine. The seeder is made of heavy-duty stainless steel materials that cannot easily rust or corrode even when touched by fertilizer. A beginner can work with the seed spreader because it has auto-flowed with spread pattern to control seeds spread when the machine stops. At number 3, we have Chapin 8701B Garden Push Seeder. With up to 6 seed plates, this seeder is compatible with over 20 varieties of seeds. So, it is a convenient seeder you can use to plant vegetables, fruits, and other crops for your home garden. It may feature manual control mode, but it is quite convenient in functioning. This seeder is durable and safe to use even in wet seasons. The reason being, it has stainless steel materials crafting with powder coating to safeguard it from rust and corrosion. The seeder has large 30-inch wheels that mark the planting rows on the farm for easy planting. Also, this ensures uniformity of rows marking in the garden. At number 2, we have Varroa Moras Metal Precision Manual Seeder. Make your gardening jobs easy by acquiring this seeder. It is a universal seeder since you can use it for planting any plants ranging from vegetables to fruits. This seeder is made of premium and heavy-duty materials so it can withstand different outdoor climates. In this case, you can utilize it when planting during the summer or rainy seasons. The seeder plates are adjustable in size to ensure you get the right planting distance between the crop rows. The adjustments available are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 row seeder options. The seeder has a compact and lightweight style for convenience when working on different soils. And finally at number 1. Precision GS2010 Garden Seeder. This is a multifunctional farming tool useful for plowing, planting, and covering seeds to save time. So, it is a time-efficient farming tool that you can use in your home garden. Another outstanding feature of this seeder is the high seed compatibility. You can use the seeder when planting different types of crops, including vegetables. The tool has 7 plates compatible with up to 30 or more seed types. This seeder is recommendable for adding fertilizer to your seed when planting and after planting since it comes with a hopper for this purpose. It has a long ergonomic handle for smooth maneuvering it around the garden. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.